I thought Mobirise was going to replace WordPress for me. By the end of the weekend, I realized that's not really what it's trying to do. I downloaded it because I wanted to build a simple landing page. No plugins, no hosting setup, no spending an hour figuring out why one plugin suddenly broke another. I just wanted a website. The install was quick. A few clicks later, I was dragging blocks onto the page. Honestly, it felt kind of refreshing. No dashboard packed with settings I didn't need. I was building instead of configuring. Then I tried making the site look like something I'd actually publish. That's when I noticed the trade-off. The templates look clean. Changing text and images was easy, but once I wanted something really specific, I hit the limits pretty fast. Not impossible, just less flexible than I expected. I actually caught myself thinking, okay, WordPress would have handled this better. Then I remembered something. I hadn't spent the last 2 hours updating themes, fixing plugins, or clearing cache. I'd just been building. That was a nice change. One thing I really liked was that everything stayed local while I was working. No waiting for pages to reload. No depending on an internet connection every 5 minutes. It felt surprisingly fast. Now, can Mobirise replace WordPress? For a business website with a blog, memberships, online store, or lots of plugins? Honestly, I wouldn't do it. WordPress is still built for that, but if you need a portfolio, landing page, event site, or something you can get online quickly, Mobirise makes a lot more sense than I expected. The pricing also depends on what you're building. If you're making websites for clients every week, it's easy to justify. If you're creating one personal website, you might never need more than the basics. So, did it replace WordPress for me? No, it didn't. What it replaced was all the time I normally waste setting up a website before I even started designing it. And honestly, that ended up being a bigger win than I thought it would be. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.